Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing a follow-up video on a coin we have in the past. It is called Fartcoin. So I hope you guys are big investors in this coin because I mean the name says it all. It's gonna definitely make us millions and millions and be able to retire. All jokes aside, as you can see, as we're going up here, tick, 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 and going to the moon, there are less and less buyers trying to buy this. That is bearish divergence. Somebody already took advantage of that bearish divergence with this bearish engulfing candle. And then this little candle here actually ate the whole liquidity of that volume. And now we can go sideways and decide where we're going to go. Well, let's take a look as to what we expected from last time and what we're looking at now. Also, this bottom indicator right here is an RSI divergence indicator. I turned off the EMAs to turn this on just so that I can start changing up my indicators, and every time I make a new video, if it's a new indicator, I can explain it. You can utilize it to your advantage, and maybe it will give you a better edge on your trading journey moving forward. So I like to see the RSI tell me if we're overbought or oversold, right? So let's just nakedly quickly look. This RSI, this little line here is the midline at 50%. Anything above it is bullish. Anything under it is bearish. Now this line over here is the it's 70. It's point. Sorry. It's 70 out of 100. 100 is the absolute top, and you could go above 100, but anything above 70 I consider overbought conditions. Anything under 30, I think, yeah, under 30 I consider oversold conditions. Anything from 30 to 0, man, that's when you say, oh, buy the dip, because you are in oversold conditions. More than likely there's going to be a reversion to the mean trade. If you throw a ball all the way in the sky as hard as you can, right, it's going to eventually come back and hit you in the face. If you throw a ball all the way on the ground as hard as you can, that thing is going to bounce back at you, okay? Unless you got a lead ball. It should bounce. So just keep that in mind. It's like stretching a rubber band. When you let go of the stretch, once you're stretching the rubber band with emotions, FUD, fear, FOMO, buy it now, blah, 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 blah. And then once the emotions, all of us, once the adrenaline gets metabolized in our blood, you calm back down, and then you get that sluggish feeling, right? Like, oh man, I just worked out so hard. I want to take a nap. I gotta eat, blah blah blah. Well, that's what's gonna happen with markets right now. The RSI shows you that, hey, the band is stretching. Eventually, it's gonna get tired, and it's gonna need to let go or break or snap. So that's what this is. This is a cooling down of the stretching of the rubber band with this. And if it was strong, it would not have left $1.58. The fact that it is such bullshit that it went up in the first place with probably low volume short squeeze fashion. Probably people were shorting here. Market makers saw it, and he just like ran it up in their face, and then he took the short because people who are going to be buying here are trapped, and then all the other people who are trying to buy the dip as it's going down, he's just cashing it on their face. Now, I'm going to show you the fib as to why this whole thing matters. When I did this original video, feel free to go find it. I showed you that, hey, this is the area we're going to break out from, and if we come down into this level of 45 cents, I don't even think it's worthwhile, because now you are coming and reaching into the original breakout area, and you don't want to do that if you're bullish. You want to have higher lows. Sorry, so higher low to that, and just continue this uptrend, right? This thing, what it looks like to me, is an expanding wedge, and I know it's not gonna be like the prettiest, and I wouldn't even do it that way. Actually, that's stupid on my part. I would do it like this. So what this means now? Why did I do all? Yeah, I'll leave it as red. This I'm just gonna leave it as red just for visual sake. Okay. So I'm gonna click down a time frame. We're gonna go to daily, and on daily, let's see what the RSI is telling us. Is it bottomed out? Is this a good buying opportunity? Oh, look, we are underneath the 50, and now you have bullish divergence. This thing is actually so good. I don't need to think too hard if I'm trying to trade like pop, 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 pop. Yet I'm scalping in, out, high leverage. I don't have too much time to, oh, is this a higher low? I mean, yeah, it's a freaking higher low. You can see it. And that's why it has bullish divergence. But that's something that you have to do quick on the fly if you're doing high leverage. This RSI divergence is doing it for you. Look, it's telling you, hey, you are overbought over here. Okay, overbought. You had 1, 2, 3 traps, 3 attempts of breaking the high. And then, of course, you're going to play out bearish divergence if you have equal highs like this. And look what you did. You played out the bullish bearish divergence right to the 64-cent buying opportunity on the bottom of this retail trend line. And then you basically did whatever you want to do. And then you cooled off the oscillator, came to the 0.50, which is a great uptrend buy opportunity. If you are in an uptrend and you are above 0.50 and you come to 0.50 and you find it as in an area where it's a buying opportunity, you can use it as a long. If you come to a bearish divergence on your RSI or you're hitting the top of your 70, you know that you're near overbought conditions like this. This was a perfect shorting opportunity. This, I would not get too comfy with taking longs off the 0.50, but taking the longs under the 0.50 in oversold conditions, and this blue line is a Bollinger Band. So you have your RSI bonds, but then you have your Bollinger Band that will give you averages along the way real time. I think this Bollinger Band is like stock. I didn't do anything to change this stuff. This is just for you guys to see. I just want to give you guys more visuals because I'm a visual learner. I like learn by seeing it and doing it, not just hearing someone talk about it. I'm like, okay, how does this apply? Please explain. So this is how I'm trying to visually show you, like, look, this bottomed out, this is 2 lows, and this low here is a higher low, so you have bullish divergence. You are under the 0.50, so you have 3 conditions met for taking a long scalp. You are on the Bollinger Band, meaning if you go under this, you can take a stop loss. You could have had a stop loss right under this. My stop loss is already marked here at 64 cents. And you could ride Fartcoin all the way to wherever you want and fart on everyone's face in the process. Now, I highly recommend taking profit around $1.35 because you can already see what they're trying to do here, right? 3, 4, and then you get the 5th. And then you get downside, sideways, whatever. If we hold the 64 cents, then what it will do is it will go higher. And then it will consolidate in like this and then break out. Because what is this? A bull flag. So this is ideally how I would like to see Fartcoin play out on a daily time frame. Right now, people who are selling, panicking, whatever, I'm just letting you know the buyers are here. They're buying on the bullish divergence. The first resistance is around $1.35, so I can understand in about 20 cents if people take profit and you go sideways. But once you get to $1.35, if you don't lose that dollar anymore, dollar is the new buy because look, you are uptrending on this red trend line. This red trend line, okay, that's your trending trend line, Tory trend line. So if this trend line breaks at any point as you are going up it, that's your warning, hey, downside could come. Now, what do I mean by that? You can do this stuff, you can come over here, and now you've lost this trend line, right? That means now you could go lower, all right? Right here was your failure because you didn't get to even go a little bit higher in the time, like into February and March, where you could be around here at $1.35, $1.77, consolidate to break out. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if this breakout don't happen here, when it comes and does this consolidation, it could lose it right here. It could lose it one more time right here. So it's all about, is it overbought, oversold? Where are we on the consolidational pattern? Okay, because this was the sell, right? Are we accumulating yet? You can't even say that because you're forming a distributional top over here, a Wyckoff top. We can't say we're distributing yet, but while we go sideways in this consolidation, we know between $1 and $1.35, we can freaking do whatever we want with high leverage. Underneath the dollar, get the heck out. Above $1.35, you better start taking profit. And then you wait and see if it comes back and gives you another opportunity. So how many times could you have traded this up and down and up and down, up and down, and made money? That's what you need to keep in mind, that as long as you're in a range, Being a trader, you can be a range trader and be very, very, very profitable as markets go sideways in a tight range. You can also be a trend trader while uptrending. You can take your whatever your what do you call it? Whatever your whatever your edge is, whatever your style is, however you trade. If you're an uptrend trader and you're always just like longing, go for it. If you're a downtrend trader and you're always shorting, go for it. If you don't know how to long and short and you just see shit going sideways, well, draw a sideways channel and trade the channel up and down with stop loss outside of those ranges. Like this, all this I did, okay? I'm gonna now condense this bullshit into something more logical where you can wrap your brain around it and understand it. First of all, I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm dropping this in the Discord for everyone. Okay, cool. So that's done. And now I'm going to delete these doodles. If you ever want to see them again, go to the video. I don't want this head and shoulder thing. This I will keep just in case it wants to do that. And yeah, I will keep this. Cool. What else is I gonna go over? 4 hour. So look, in a 4 hour, you're already crossing into bullish territory with bullish divergence. But keep in mind, you know, you can tap out right here at a $1.35. It already looks like it's on the path. So yeah, guys, I don't really have too much more to say about this coin because it's very new. If you guys have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comment section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this RSI tutorial. Like I said, leave a like. Please subscribe to these videos, guys. There's about 90% of viewers. I have about 1,200, maybe 1,250 subscribers. Out of those subscribers, that's only 10% of the people who view. I have 90% of viewers watching my videos and not subscribing, which is insanity. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please thumbs up. It is free to do it, and it helps me get more people on the right path to profitability so they are not getting taken advantage by these market games and losing money. Just do your own civic duty to help me educate the masses by just subscribing, press the thumbs up, like the video, and share with anyone else you know that is struggling with getting their shit together in the trading world. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you guys so much. And aside from that, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below of this video. I will get back to you. I've replied to every comment, okay? So be safe out there, guys. Have a great day. I am going to be out and about all over the island today, so it's going to be fun. Keep in mind, if you guys want to join my Twitter too, my Twitter is in the in the description of the video below as well. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and then feel free to leave some comments of what other coin, what other stocks you want to see, and I'll make those videos for us. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.